It's been 5 months since you went away, left without a word, nothing to say. When I was the one who gave you my heart and soul, but it wasn't good enough for you. No, so I asked God. God send me an angel from the heavens above. Send me an angel to heal my broken heart from being in love. 'Cause all I do is cry. God send me an angel to wipe these tears from my eyes.